Almost all apartment leases in Japan require a guarantor, or a rentai hoshonin, a person who co-signs the lease to share liability with the tenant for any debts. In many cases, the guarantor is required to be a Japanese citizen who has a stable income, so Japanese students ask a family member to serve in this role. But since international students often do not have someone who they can ask to be their guarantor, the University of Tokyo provides a service where it may act as their guarantor if they meet certain eligibility requirements. First, you must be enrolled at the University of Tokyo as a student. Second, you must have the college student residence status. Third, you must enroll in comprehensive renter's insurance for foreign students studying in Japan. Fourth, the only people you can share housing with are your spouse, child, or other international students of the University of Tokyo who fulfill requirements 1 through 3. So let's take a look at the application flow. First, find an apartment that you like. Then, ask your realtor if U-Tokyo Guarantor can be used for the apartment. If they are not familiar with the system, please show them the About the University Guarantor System. This document explains everything they need to know about the system. If your agent agrees to accept the U-Tokyo Guarantor, first, apply to the system online. Second, prepare the required documents. And third, mail them to the university. Fourth, the university will send you back the university sealed documents in about a week. Then you can finalize your contract with your agent. The application process takes around 7 to 14 days. Please apply at least 2 weeks before your planned move-in date. Now let's look at each step more closely. Please go to the page of the University Guarantor System in the University of Tokyo website for international students. Everything explained in this video is written on this page. Submit the application form online, and the university staff will contact you with the receiving folder's URL for the submission of your PDF documents. Please prepare the required documents and letter packs as instructed. First, fill out the guarantee of tenancy and bring it to your real estate agency. Ask them to put their signature and seal on the back of the guarantee of tenancy. Prepare a copy of your student ID. If you have not received your student ID yet, please submit a document that certifies your admission to the University of Tokyo. Prepare a copy of both sides of your residence card and add a copy of the contract. Check carefully if all the information is properly written. Please also prepare the 2 letter packs necessary for the final submission. They can be purchased at the university co-op, post office, or some convenience stores. 1 letter pack for the reply. Please write down the address where you would like to receive the guarantee of tenancy. 1 letter pack for sending the documents to the university. Please write down the address and phone number of the international support group. If you plan to live with your family or another U-Tokyo student, you will also need a written oath, where all students who live on the property should sign. All cohabitants must apply online, submit a copy of their student ID and residence card, and pay the insurance fee. In case you live with your family, please submit documents that can prove your family relationship. After preparing all documents, please make a new folder and put the documents inside. Please submit the folder by uploading it to the online receiving folder provided by the university staff. Next, after checking your documents, the university staff will send you the payment slip for enrolling in comprehensive renter's insurance for foreign students studying in Japan. Please use it to pay at a convenience store. Then, mail the original document and a letter pack for return to the international support group. In about 1 week after you mail the original documents, you will receive the Guarantee of Tenancy with the University seal and insurance subscriber copy. Bring the Guarantee of Tenancy to your real estate agent and finalize your rental contract. Regarding the renewal of your lease contract, you need to reapply for the University Guarantor System again when you renew the lease contract. Please note that your guarantee is not automatically updated. Please submit a Notice of Termination and necessary documents to the International Support Group when you graduate or withdraw from UTokyo, or relocate to an apartment that does not need the University Guarantor System. After submitting the Notice of Termination form, you will receive an auto reply titled Submit Your Documents, where necessary documents and where to submit will be provided. Please upload the necessary documents as instructed. If your contract with the University Guarantor System was terminated before the 2-year period ends, the university will reimburse the insurance fee for the remaining months. The University Guarantor System can be used only if the owner of the apartment accepts it. Please confirm with the real estate agent if the system can be used for the apartment you are interested in. You generally cannot take advantage of the University Guarantor System prior to enrolling at the university, but discussion can be started from 1 to 2 months prior to enrollment. If you graduate or leave the university while using this service, but wish to continue living in the same apartment, you must change the guarantor or use a private guarantee service company. In the case of room sharing, when there are changes in the tenants living in the property, please notify the landlord or the management company and the university in advance. The contract will be revised.